I was just gonna put this down here quickly. I'm coming now. Rika, please don't break it. Hi, bud, we gaan het raso.
Bakit na ganun?
Walang talong, wala na.
Okay na yan.
Luto muna ako ah.
Oh, sige.
Tapos sasabay ko na yung chicken. Ay ano, spaghetti.
Mamaya pag wala ubos na to, ano na kami.
Chat mo okay lang. Baka ano.
Hindi, kaya naman ng luto.
Hong Kong. Ayo, yo bigyan. Ayo.
Okay. Oh. Kasi
What, you going home now?
cooking.
Oh,
Ano.
Hong Kong.
Yes.
That's good.
Ay, ulam.
Yeah, it's very good. Were you busy today?
Not really certain thing. The people are not so,
People are not hungry on Monday.
yeah.
But I guess it wasn't dead.
Yeah.
If you get one customer, it's good.
Yeah.
And I will take 4. One week I did 150 pieces. One day you can put I'll put my signature here somewhere. But I know if I put it, Rika won't take it off. She will not like it.
Hello po.
When I come again, she printed. Just look at her.
Mahal ka makaiba.
Someone actually on camera.
Ganyan. Ba't dumagit ka na? Ma. Kain sa side.
You see the thing is, favorite change. People always want everything for free. I think your brothers are doing enough nonsense. It's not really expensive. I mean, if you buy one chicken, it's about 240 peso. A good, or right size. Cut it up. How many pieces? I mean, that's without your oil, your gas, your seasoning. Don't change the price, man. It's good. If it wasn't, I wouldn't buy from you. That's the new bakery that opened up 2 days ago. Oh, thank you for the thumbs up, everybody. Thank you. Where's everybody watching from? Sabu Yakum, bro. How are you, brother? How are you? Rika, if I go to Boreas Island, is there a place that you can stay? Yeah, but I'm not gonna go with you. but maybe you can organize with someone, because I wanna go maybe for 2 days to make some videos there.
Just 2 days.
I don't care to go when you go. I'm just joking, but I don't know when I can go because I want to explore a bit,
20 po yan dito. 25 po.
You can stay Dito's place.
But you're gonna have to ask me for me first. I don't want to just rock up there and be like, hey, people.
You can stay there for 2 days.
Yeah, but when I go, I will just talk to you to see how the traveling works to go there. I want to go pick up some big shells. She has a drive-through chicken. Ah, it's a drive-through. It's a drive-through in a province style. It is basically a drive-through, man. And this is how we operate. Even at night, markets are open. Get your veggies. Get your street food. Hey, Noi. Noi. Hello. Yes, say hi.
murah din mo. 20 lang dito po, 25 dito yan. Wala na rin.
Ano po?
Yan po mura rin. 25.
Dalawa po.
Ese sa mo yan?
Oh, thank you, Ewing. Thank you.
Ba, di na lang.
Madyak.
Ano din?
Kapit.
It's a quiet evening. Hey, brother man, I'm coming now.
You want some gravy, Sir King?
Yeah. This is how we do it in the province. But I do enjoy your drive-through here. It's actually to the board drive-through. Order here, pick up here. That's cool.
Ibang ano baby, lagyan mo dito ibang labas na ito bag.
Oh yes, they are using face masks when they are cooking and stuff. Also, they put on the gloves when they work with it. I must say, I'm impressed with the chicken stand. That's why I enjoy to come here. I even ordered many times. I ordered chicken here because the price is good. And I think when I order, they always give me the nicest pieces. And I'm not complaining, I'm happy about it. I don't think he's not charging. Now it's charging. Now you see, even have the thing is that I must say, compared to some of the street food I've seen here, they do clean up very nice, they work with nice, and I see the oil is always like good oil. I don't see anything here that's been like cutting corners or stuff, so that's good. I mean, it's obviously not good to eat street food if it's not good, because you can get sick. Have you seen some people, man, when they make the street food? Yo, you can get sick. No, they are clean. Look, the vendor is clean. The stuff they use to cook in is clean. Yeah, everything is good. Now, this is the thing, when people come to the Philippines, do try the street food, but be careful. Just make sure it's good, make sure it's clean. You don't want to get sick. And you can.
Hello, guys.
Hello guys. They're getting some manok. There's some chicken. Yeah, they are hungry. Dikke Musta. Kamusta? Oh, you can't speak. Kamusta ka? How are you? Ah.
Thank you.
It's so funny if you see like there's scooters and tricycles and dogs and cats and everything in the street, all over the show. No, like if you see the street like this now, it's like cats and dogs and bikes everywhere. They just go. It's so funny. But I must say, I do enjoy Bayogo. Yeah, it's different.
Peaceful there.
It's different.
Yeah.
It's so strange how every barangay is different. You can go to the one barangay and it's like this, and then the other one is like that. Are they commuting from here in a van? Probably a festival or something. Or maybe a funeral. I saw there was one day today. Yeah. No, she's okay. She's just having a throat thing. She's not sick anymore. You know, many people have allergies now. I think it's from the season change. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Nah, it's only coronavirus. It's okay. Yeah. Nah, but it's not at the chicken. Nee, sit on this. Oh, you're packing up now. You're gonna be open tomorrow.
Yeah. Early in the morning.
Yeah, you must open every day, man. Where else can I get chicken? I don't buy from the other chicken guy. If you are not here, I buy a chicken and go fry it myself.
When we're not around your chicken tin, you can go to direct to our house.
I won't go there.
You.
Thank you. It's just easier sometimes, you know?
Yeah, they can do.
Yeah, pajamas is a thing. You can see. People like to wear pajamas here. I don't know why.
Miss ko pala si Ching Ching. Miss ko, kumusta daw? Kumusta ka mo siya? Hello! Hello!
Mamaya, tawag ako.
Replyan mo na mamaya. Baby, kailan ang living ni Uncle? Kasi mga 7, wala yung pang-dito.
Continue chicken. Or else,
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
huwag ko ito na COVID-19.
Yeah, COVID-19. I think of it's COVID-20. Hey, God bless, God bless. Everybody's packing up now. Shops are closing. Vendors are going home. Ah, won't come back, Brute, won't come back. Yeah, this dog is not the healthiest. But he's alright. He's alright. I mean, he's breathing. But look at this. Look at him. Yeah. Hey Tarina, hoe gaan het met jou vanaand? As jy van kan jy vir my thumbs up druk. En welkom, welkom. As jy enige ietsie wil sê of vra, jy is welkom.
Dalawa na lang pagpatin. Kunin mo na po, dalawa. Bibigyan na ng ganito.
Bigyan mo na. Rest po yan.
Ah, dat is warm. Here by us it's not, okay, it's hot, but it, how can I say, it's bearable.
20 na lang tayo mo dito.
Because it was like overcast. But yeah, I know in South Africa now the weather is very hot. Ek dink is hier einde Februarie. Miskien Maart, daar rond begin dit mos nou weer lekker afkoel. Maar ja, dit is maar warm jong. Ja, ek doen beter. Ek doen beter. It's going better. And thank you for the thumbs up. Much appreciated. Ja, dit gaan beter jong. Ek kan nie maar nie. Ek is maar besig met my YouTube en goedjies. Ah, boet, daar in Witbank is dit ook warm. Ek weet Tarina is in Margate. Ja, sy is in Margate, ek by die see. Yeah, Tarina, it's like I say, it's going well. My YouTube has picked up much. I've been very busy on it, so I'm very thankful for everybody who watches and stuff. You know, streams can go up and down, up and down. Ah, Tarina, JP Boshoff is my broer. Hy is in Witbank. Ah, baie dankie. Dit is iets. It's just a shame I'm not walking around now. I'm basically stationary. Yeah, I'm not walking tonight. Tomorrow I'll do a massive walk again. But for now I'm just having a seat here, serving everybody a bit of the night dive. I enjoy to go into the forest and the village houses, you know, the rural areas. That is my thing. But tonight I'm in the town. This is basically town center. Well, it's, I wouldn't say it's better. It's still there. I can actually show you, but it's getting much better. Wait, let me turn the camera quick. So yeah, it's getting better. It's getting better. Yeah, his photos are beautiful. His photos are beautiful. I think he's gonna open a YouTube channel also and put some of his stuff on there. But I think he's got Facebook that he does it. Yeah, it is. It is very so. It's baie ina. Partykeer is dit nog ons verskriklik seer. I know he enjoys to take photos in the Kruger Park. Yeah, he always goes there. He's got some very exciting photos that he puts out. But maybe you can put your Facebook name here, then people can go and actually watch it on your Facebook. Ach, Dorina, thank you. It will get better. It's been like what? How many months now? Been 3 months. But I'm sure it will get better soon. Thank you for the thumbs up, everybody. And welcome to all the new viewers. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for being here. But why don't you just put your Facebook thing in the chat here? Put it in the comments and people can see it, and if they want they can go to your Facebook and check out your beautiful photographs. God bless. You see what's the nice thing here? Whenever they're done, they clean up their stone, they clean up the area, make sure it's nice and clean. It's amazing. They make sure it's tidy, which is a good thing. It's not dirty at all. Yeah, they keep it clean. And welcome to all the new streamers, all the new viewers. Thank you for being part of the channel. We do live streams every day. Hello Yolanda, how are you? How are you this fine evening? Welcome to the channel, welcome to the stream. I do live streams every day. I go into unexpected areas, rural areas. But tonight I'm just in a small town showing people the night here. Tarina, you must have an awesome day. Always happy to see you, always happy to speak with you. And yeah, we will speak again soon. Thank you for being on the channel. You are much appreciated. 4 people on one bike. That's very cool. Love you, Serena. We will speak again soon. You must have an amazing day. I know you're gonna go to the beach probably. Boet, ek weet nie of mense kan direk op hom druk so nie. Miskien moet jy maar net met die naam stuur. Maar stuur met die naam in any case, en sit die naam hier so ook op. Dan sal ek dit vir jou share. Ek sal dit ook op my YouTube post sit. Yeah, do that and then I can send it on to everybody. Oh, you want a chair? You can have it.
No, if you will use it circuit in, you can just...
Nah, I'm still at night, man. You never know.
Ah, yes.
Just rather take it with you, man. You know, I can always sit on the paving here. It's fine.
Yeah. Or going yung circuit in.
All right, thank you, man. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Much appreciated. Oh, driving in style now. Bye-bye.
Hi, my friend.
Tita, do you have a plastic bag for me, maybe?
Huh?
Do you have a plastic bag for me?
Bag? Another one.
Don't. It's okay. I won't become diabetes. No, I won't take a walk through town now. No, did I keep it? Keep it for the bag. I always take one from you. It's okay. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, Tita. Thank you.
Take care.
Ingat. And if you all can see them, look at that. It seems to be a bit more quiet now. All the vendors are closing up and the shops are closing. What I'll do is in the next, probably the next 10 minutes or something, I won't end the ink. So in the next 10 minutes I won't stop. Hey Jozet, welkom by die stream. Welkom by die stream, dankie om altyd hier te wees. That help my channel baie. It really does help my channel if you're on. And I basically do guys mostly of rural areas in the forests and mountainous towns, but tonight I'm having a bit of a relaxed live stream. I'm just here standing inside of the center of a small town called Karanan. Somebody wants to say hi, now they run away. Hey, that's so funny. It is quite mysterious with the moon so bright up there. It's beautiful.
Yung parang ano pang anak mo. Yung araw pa kung kinililok na lahat ko lang. So, asan mo, nandiyan ako sa parang ano ba hinaluan ko, paninawan.
Yeah. Oh, hi. Pogi. It's always nice when everybody is good with you. Especially in a small town, it's important. Ah, I would really enjoy to get 20 eggs. I think maybe I must move my spot a bit. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Oh, thank you everybody for the thumbs up. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Oh, 17, that's good. So if I have 3 more yaks, I've got 20. That would be amazing. let's move positions for just a second. And then maybe we can get that 20x. 20 thumbs up would be amazing. So let's go get it. Okay, let's take a ride. It's just basically houses. You get your normal sari-sari store here. Of course, your dogs everywhere in the street. Three more thumbs up and then we are on 20. Let's make it happen, everybody. Let's make it happen. Thank you for the thumbs up. Much appreciated. Thank you. And now we're crossing the river to a place called Sarimao. Sarimao here in the Philippines. If the signal drops, I'm sorry guys. Now this is Sarimao. Thank you for the thumbs up on 18. I only need 2 more to make it 20. Much appreciated, everybody. You see, this area is much more quiet. I must go show everybody in the day how beautiful it is. seaworm. I mean, the ocean is mad next to us. It's the ocean. Look at us, everybody. Give me a thumbs up for this. A yam post in the middle of the street. That's very funny. This is like your normal shops. Very cool. Okay, this is basically going to be the end of this. I'm searching for 2 people to give me a thumbs up who haven't done it yet, so I can have 20. Oh no, wait, I'm going back to the signal. I'm sorry, everybody. It is a nice sunny store. Okay, we are now on the bridge that separates Karnan from Sarimao. But I just want to show you, look at this. See all the flickering? That is boats. That is bunkas that's standing in the water. I don't know if the signal is better, but thank you for the 18 thumbs up. I just want 2 more. Let's make it 20, guys. Come on. It's so mysterious with the moon and the clouds coming over. Okay, now let's enter the town. Isn't it amazing with the moon? Incredible. Oh, thank you, Zed. Thank you. You get the moon. Incredible.
Hello.
I'm trying to reach 20 thumbs up. I've got 18 now. So I'm pushing for 20. Because in the next 10 minutes I'm gonna end the stream. Hopefully you get 2 more thumbs up. Excuse me. No, there's not a bar. If you want that, you must go to Pasakau. Maybe there's a place you can buy alcohol. Yes, you can actually buy yourself like beer and stuff, but there's no actual bar where you can go and sit. One day I can maybe open one. Well, there's a place in Pasakau that I saw. It used to be a resto bar. An amazing spot to open something, but obviously, you know, you need money to open it. So yeah, maybe one day. Maybe one day, brother, man. Maybe one day. I'm just trying to get my 20 yikes here, man. I only need 2 people to yike the stream. I need 2 more people to yike the stream. That I've got 20.
Hello.
Hi. Well, I would say to open the place, the rent is 15,000 peso a month. Hey, Muoi, I don't know, I'm sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. Please do like the stream for me. And welcome to the channel, my friend. We do live every day. Not always the same thing, always like I go rural. So you'd say the rent is 20,000 or 15,000 peso. You have to stock it up first. So I would say if you get about 200k, maybe 300k peso, I think you are in the game. That is about 80,000 in South African currency. American dollar, yes. I think if I have $5,000-6,000, I can open like a bar with your own restaurant in it. Maybe I make pizzas and I don't know, sell some beers, put a pool table in there, billiard board, you know, karaoke thing. People like to sing here. You can definitely make good money. That's for sure. I mean, if you think about it, let's say you open that and you make like your own competitions, spoon competitions, like where I can win, I don't know, 300 peso or whatever, and your entry fee is like 20 peso or something. Not even an entry fee, you know, you want to attract people. And with the singing, karaoke box there, a TV in there, obviously for the singing. Put like 2 billiard boards in there, people enjoy the billiards, yeah, heavy. Put some alcohol and obviously pizzas, because when you drink you want to eat something. Maybe some snacks, some like potato chips and stuff like that. Some peanuts. Yeah, in the front of it, you put like a normal sari store, like one of these ones there. That sell day-to-day things. I really think you can make good money. So if I get blessed on YouTube, I will save some money and I will definitely open something. But I think the main thing here to open would be a gas station. Everybody needs fuel. But you need more. I think you need like probably 600-700k to start. So yeah. Two more yaks. I need 2 more yaks to make it 20. A quiet province night. Tomorrow we won't go into the forest again. I'll show you some of the houses that's in the jungle. Very interesting, so for all the new viewers, make sure to subscribe to watch it tomorrow. I will probably go on tomorrow 2 p.m. my time, like 2 p.m. my time in South Africa. That will probably be like 7, 8 in the morning. So if I go in at 2 p.m. it won't be like 8 a.m. by you. Oh yeah, definitely. I won't definitely go on. It's interesting to see how people are in the forest. You know, all the houses inside of the jungle and stuff. It's very rural but very amazing. A lot of peakeries there and stuff. Yeah, it's a different world. The rice fields and everything is there. Tomorrow I'm aiming for like a 4-hour stream, 3-4 hour stream again. Tonight it's only like 1 hour something, but I will end the stream very shortly. And yeah, I think I need to end it in the next 5 minutes. But everybody, thank you for watching. Thank you for everybody who did like the stream. And welcome to the new viewers, everybody who subscribed. Tomorrow is something very interesting. We won't go rural. I'll show you proper village life. The thing is, it's a lot of trekking. I have to cross rivers and, you know, it's basically walking into the jungle. Ja, dankie dat jy altyd kyk. Dit help my channel baie. Thank you for always being on. It does help my channel a lot. And also thank you for the thumbs up. It really does help my channel. Ah, it seems like I'm stuck at 18 yikes. I just need 2 more, guys. Only 2 more. 2 more yikes to make it 20. We can do this. Okay, everybody, 5 minutes. I'm gonna end the stream. Thank you for everybody who watched. Thank you for all the subscribers. Everybody who liked the stream, thank you very much. Something happened somewhere. See a lot of people walking down the streets here. Right, everybody, just go for a small drive and then I'm gonna end the stream in the next 2 minutes. Oh, something happened here. Is this a disco or what's happening here? Seems to be like a concert. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching, and I will end the stream now. Tomorrow we've got a very big live stream to do. We won't be entering the villages in the mountains. So yeah, everybody, thank you for watching. If you want to see tomorrow's live in the mountains, then make sure to subscribe. And also, thank you for liking the stream. We will speak tomorrow. So good night, everybody, and thank you again. Goodbye.